Hello, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen passwords, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of passwords: non-slide, pattern, numeric and alphanumeric. Firstly, we are going to use 2 non-security screen locks. Let's start with none, and now select slide to unlock. Now select alphanumeric password, and to create it enter 4 to 16 characters. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create it enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it connect 4 dots at least. Once it's done, we can go to biometrics, and our first biometric is fingerprint unlock. Add fingerprint, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap finish, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face unlock, and now simply scan your face via front camera. Tap done, and you can use your face to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.